Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do Book 3, Consonant Blends. Okay, they're going to have lots of lovely sounds coming up, and this is the first part of it. Get, get. I love getting presents. Get. Bat, bat. Bring your balls and bring your bat. Bring your balls and bring your bat to the park to play. On. Turn on or switch on the light. When it's dark, the lights go on. And when it's time for bed, the lights go off. Can you say that sound? Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Leg. You put your right leg in, you put your right leg out, you put your right leg in and shake it all about. You do the hokey cokey, turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. Pot. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Pot, bent. I bent down to pick up the present. Flag. The flag is raised high up and everybody sings their national anthem. Grub. He's eating so much grub. Oh my God, he's going to be a nice fat potato. He's eating ice cream, French fries, lollipops, candies, chocolates, unhealthy food. Fist. Now, this is my hand and this is my fist. My heart is as big as my fist. So if you do this, that's how big your heart is, okay? And if I want to box you, I make a fist and I'm going to box you with my fist. Hot. I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling so hot because it's a hot summer's day. Hot. Rug. And that's a rug. And there's a cat on the rug. Clap. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Dug. He dug a hole in the ground and then he put a seed and then he covered it and then a plant, a beautiful apple tree grew out. Flat. Wow, this road is nice and flat, but that road is so bumpy. It looks like we're going on a roller coaster ride. Us. All of us are happy. Log, log, log. The elephants are very strong. People cut down the trees and then they get logs of wood. And then the elephant drags the logs of wood. Help, 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 help. I can't swim. Bill, Bill. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called to the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his hat and his bag. He rapped at the door with a... He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. Pill means medicine. I'll be back in the morning with my bill, bill, bill. That means he's going to make you pay. He's going to give you a nice big fat bill. Loft, 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 oft. Now that's a house, and then you climb up, and then you sleep under the roof, and that's the loft. Loft. Oops, just a second. Okay. Fat. He's a nice fat little potato. Fat. Best. Who is the best? Look, you are the best. Best. Lid. Now this is the garbage bin, and we always put the lid and cover the garbage bin because it's quite smelly. If I get a prize, I'll be ecstatic. I'll be wonderful. It'll be fantastic. I'll be jumping like a kangaroo all over the place. Hop. I like to hop, up and down. I like to hop, all around. Soft. This ice cream is very soft. Ilk. Milk. Who gives you milk? We drink the cow's milk. Milk. Ump. Lump. It's lumpy bumpy. Eld. Her eld held. The girl, when Rosie crosses the road, this is what she does. She looks to the left, she looks to the right, and then she listens carefully too. And when the road is clear, no cars, no buses, no trucks, then Rosie held Mom's hand firmly. See, you hold Mommy's hand firmly. And then she crosses the road, so must you. Drill. We're going to drill a hole in the wall. Like that. This is a drill, and we're going to drill a hole in the wall. Now we're going to read first sound, last sound. Are you ready? We're making a train. Start with the first sound, go right to the last sound. Don't forget the last sound, because if your train breaks, you can't read. Get. Bat. On. Bus. Leg. Pot. Bent. bent, flag, flag, grub, grub, fist, fist, hot, hot, rug, rug, clap, clap, dug, dug, flat, flat, us, us, log, log, help, help, bill, bill, loft, loft, fat, fat, best, best, lid, lid, if, hop, hop, soft, soft, milk, milk, lump, lump, held, held, drill, drill. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.